You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that is confusing. I mean, it does confuse a lot of people, but the pronunciation is pretty straightforward once you know. So let's break it down. British and American pronunciations are different, slightly. Athletic. It's an A, okay, not an A, not an Athle. You have the TH sound followed by the L sound, so it's thl, which is a bit difficult maybe for some people to pronounce. Thle. So thle, actually, thle. Tick. Athletic. Now the American English pronunciation, the way it's usually pronounced in the US, is as athletic. You have a flap T that sounds like a D. Athletic. Athletic. American English or British English. Athletic. Sorry, athletic. British English, athletic. American English, athletic. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.